Did you know that in the 1990s, a man used office copy machines to steal $2 billion without ever robbing a bank? Arthur Williams Jr. had a plan that seemed impossible. He would use Xerox machines to create fake money and bonds so perfect that even the Federal Reserve couldn't tell the difference. His operation wasn't small. Williams built a network that spanned 15 countries. He recruited corrupt bank employees who would process his fake documents through real banks. No one suspected a thing. The counterfeits were masterpieces. Williams used advanced color copiers, special papers, and even aged the documents with chemicals to make them look authentic. His fake currency and bonds passed through the most secure financial institutions in the world. For years, the scheme worked flawlessly. $2 billion in fake instruments circulated through the global banking system undetected. But every criminal empire has a weakness. A disgruntled member of Williams' crew finally had enough. They walked into authorities with detailed evidence of the entire operation. In one betrayal, the largest document fraud in history came crashing down.